Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken badge. First, carefully examine your badge to understand the extent of the damage. Is it a simple crack, a detached pin, or a more complex issue with the clasp? Knowing the material, whether it's metal or plastic, will guide your repair choices. Gather your tools, such as a strong adhesive or small pliers, before you begin. For minor cracks in plastic badges, a clear epoxy resin works wonders. Apply a small amount to the crack, ensuring it fills completely, then let it cure. If your badge has surface scratches, use fine grit sandpaper, like 2000 grit, to gently smooth them out. Finish by applying a thin, clear protective coat to restore the badge's original luster and prevent future damage. When reattaching a detached pin or clasp, start by cleaning both surfaces with rubbing alcohol to ensure a strong bond. Apply a small, even amount of a strong, quick-drying adhesive, like a 2-part epoxy, to the pin's base. Press it firmly onto the badge and hold for about 30 seconds. For bent clasps, use small needle nose pliers to gently reshape them back into place. After any repairs, it's crucial to allow all adhesives to cure completely, which typically takes at least 24 hours. This ensures maximum strength and durability. Once dry, gently polish your badge with a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any excess adhesive or fingerprints. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Proper care will keep your badge looking great for a long time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.